Welcome to a new video, doing something that I've not done before, so we're going to learn on the day. We've got to do a wing mirror, which I have done before, so that's just going to be a basic job. Just got to paint black and whack it on. But we're going to be installing a catch can, so I'm going to show you whereabouts it's going to go. Get that open. So my thinking is probably somewhere back here, or somewhere around the side here. We're going to install a catch can, so it's going to come off here, there, and then back into where that's going. We're also going to install something from that, because that just leads into there, into the air filter, which is just into the air filter there, which is just absolutely ridiculous. I've never seen anything like that in my life. So I've got a little breather thing to go there, and then we're going to install a catch can there, which is actually over here. Let's get it open. Looks like a serious bit of kit, to be honest. I bought it for 16 quid, so we'll see how it goes. But that's it. Let's see where it'll fit actually now. I think it's going to have to go somewhere here. But then will the bonnet shut? I don't know. Let's see if it could go back there, so I've no idea. It'd be better if it could go in here out of the way, but then you have to drill holes through. But yeah, let's see what we can do. I'm going to get this off, get it out of the way, get ourselves ready, and then yeah, let's see if this thing, this little catch can thing, is worth it. I've took the intercooler off, as you can see. Oh, that one there. I've took the oil feed line off of that, so it goes from that into there. So we need to take the catch can from that, well, go from that into the catch can into this. We also need to take this off, because as you can see it just runs straight into the air filter, and it's just whacking oil through this, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm going to try and configure something now, clean all this up, and I might spray that, make it look nicer, but we'll see. Let me clean it all up first though. So I feel like this is the best place for it. I've moved this kind of to the left, but it does look a bit crap. But I don't know where else I can put this. Because I put it on the same bracket that was on. So I've moved that to the left. That won't move any further. That can move. But there's no real way of tidying it up. Unless I don't know. I could try and strap it down like that. But I feel like that should be a good spot, and it shouldn't rub off anything. Let's find out actually. Let's see. There's a bit of a gap. Oh no. Oh, you can hear it rattling. That's not good. I think it's just shutting it now. I don't know. I'm going to try and plug everything in and see how it goes. Cool. So, the catch can is now in. The pipes are a bit bent, but it's in. I just need to tighten it down. But it's in. It'll do its job. It's not bad. I've got my wonderful assistant with me now, by the way, as you can tell. But we're just going to take this off, this oil feed line here into the intake. I've just loosened that. And then we're going to cable tie all that down. I'm going to put this little breather pipey thingy in. I had that on my R50, so I'm guessing it'll work on this. It's the same concept, I think. And then we might spray the intercooler, which is there, and we're going to definitely spray the sideline. Get that done. And yeah, so let's take this off. I've already moved that down. I'll just move it down a bit more. And then let's see if I can just rip the pipe off. You'd think something that's full of oil would bloody move. Jesus Christ. I remembered why I stopped working on cars for a bit. It's a pain. Bloody hell. It's just not moving. Jesus Christ. Anyway, once this is done, we'll get back to you. You can turn it off, yeah. We had to put the grips on fully to peel it off, but
It didn't catch the start of that. Start again.
no. So we got it off, we had to get the grips on it and yank it off, and the grips were like fully tightened down. It was ridiculous. But if you look here, that literally went straight in there, straight into the intake, and then you just had all that oil going through the intake, and you can see it spilling all down there. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to clean all this up. This is Demon Giant Active Super Cleaner. So I'm going to clean all this up. You probably shouldn't be doing it like this, but there's going to be 1,010 people moaning at me for, hey, you're doing it wrong. Fuck off. Get your own car, you bastards. But this should just slide on because it's way too big. Yeah, that's cool. And then I'll just tighten it down. That'll be fine. The catch can is in. We're going to put these on the wing mirrors. Paint the wing mirrors, paint that. And then jobs are good. Only shot one, but why not? Get it done. So everything's in. Catch can is in. If you come over here. I know the pipe's bent, but I can't really do much about that. We've tied that out of the way. We've actually tied it down back here. I don't know if you can, you can't really see, but that is tied down to the metal bracket. We've tied that down, used all the colours in the world, rainbows. That's on now, which is tightened, so that's good. I gave it a little wash, but it doesn't look like I washed it at all. Intercool back on, but we're going to spray it first, I think. Decided, I don't know what time it is now. It is 12:05, so we've got time to paint it. So yeah, we'll paint that, we'll paint the wing mirror, get it all on, and yeah, that's how you fit a catch can, and it's only 16 quid off eBay. So just saying, if you've got spare 10 minutes, well, we're not shut the bonnet yet, so we probably should do that, but if you have a spare 10-15 minutes, then definitely do it. Oh, it took us a bit long because we're filming, but it literally took us about half an hour. So yeah, get it done. Ignore the mess on the floor, but we are done. Look how dirty my hand is. And it looks, I think it looks sick, but it's going to be controversial. I painted it white. I don't know why I painted it white, but I did. The catch can is in, cable tied it all up. We've got the ram arm at the front of the forged intercooler, which is sick. We sprayed the side, the wing mirror. I'm going to put these little eyeliner things, let's call them that. But yeah, I think it looks cool, and it goes with the wheels, which I need to wash, but I think it looks alright. What do you think? And though I never said at the start, the reason why you have an oil catch can is, the reason why you have it is if your engine is running too much oil through the pistons. Instead of it burning petrol, it's burning oil, and then you're getting less power. So the oil catch can will catch in the excessive oil, and then you can just pour that back in once you've done it anyway. But yeah, that's the reason for that. And then we just got rid of that and just put a breather thing on it, which is nice. And then we also did little John Cooper Works, a little sticker there, you know, gotta be done. Anyway, if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that crap, I do appreciate it. We're trying to get big on YouTube, not doing that well at the moment. TikTok I'm doing alright, but TikTok keep banning me, and Instagram we're doing okay. So if you can support, that'd be amazing. I can do better cars, better videos, all that crap. Anyway, love you, bye.